What's good, YouTube? I know it's been a while since you've seen me. I'm gonna upload some videos. I have been recording, I just haven't uploaded. Really? Well, I do kind of know why. With the passing of Kobe Bryant, that was my favorite player. I kind of took a step back, kind of mourn his death a little bit. Kobe's in that age range where I'm at, so it kind of hit me a little hard. I love playing basketball. I love watching basketball. I actually went to the 2010 finals, the actual Game 7 game. I'll show you some pictures right here. They're kind of blurry because I took it, back in 2010, camera phones wasn't that great. But I'll show you some pictures here. And I'll probably do a tribute video to Kobe. That was my favorite all-time, my absolute favorite all-time NBA player. So yeah, kind of took it hard. But that's what you're not here for today. Today, you're here for the Nike SB Dunks Plum. And look what I got in the mail. So let's crack this thing open. Let's get to it. I'm opening this thing up. How many of you guys out here, I would like to know, are actual skateboarders, or you guys are actually getting these shoes to resell? Because I'm going to keep it real with you. I got these bad boys to resell. I'm not a real big fan of the Dunks. They look great, but it's just not my style, So, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I got these to resell. And here they go. This is the box they come in. OG Nike box. And this right here, this is what they look like. These are it. The Nike SB Dunks and Plum. And to be honest, they don't look that bad. They don't look that bad at all. But these gotta go. Have pretty good resale value on these. I listed them on StockX. I'm about to ship these out now. Looks like they only came with the pair of laces that actually were in the shoe. And that's it. So here's the both pair right here. Give you a detailed look. Give you a look at the bottoms. We're not gonna do it on foot because like I said, these are being sold. They've already been sold. I gotta go ship them out. I just want to give you guys a quick look at them. Give you guys a quick history of the Nike Dunk Low Plums. These were originally unveiled in 2001 as a part of the ugly Duckling pack. This rare colorway is one of the most celebrated dunks of the early aughts. While the plum makeup did return to shelves in high top SB form in 2011, this release sees the low top edition resurfaces for the first time since 2001, its original debut. So in the generation arrives beige in premium suede and multiple shades of purple, complemented by the accents of barn red. Gear up with a piece of Nike history before it disappears again. Yo, these are fly, not gonna lie. Just not my style though, but they are fly. Like I said, these are the Nike Dunk Low SPs in the plum color. So there you go, in the size 9.5. Hope you guys enjoyed this short on look of the shoe. Stay tuned, I got some more videos coming. Like I said, I have been doing some recording. I just haven't uploaded them. So I will be doing a lot of upload shoe reviews that I've done in this past month. I'll be doing a lot of uploads. I got some shoes on the way that I'll be doing some uploads on and some reviews. And some of those I will be doing some on-foot reviews. So you guys keep it locked in. I hope you guys enjoy the channel. Like I said, my channel is about sneakers. It's about BMW content. I got a BMW M2. And then it's about lifestyle. And then it's about money as far as investing. So those are the things that I hit on my channel. So if you like those topics, hit that subscribe button right now. And thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day. Stay blessed up, stay positive, and treat everybody with love and respect. We out. Ritual style.